Enemies. These bitches my enemies. Yes, why do you envy me? I love my face, but that bitch not afraid of me. Enemy.
Hey, Elva Hair, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be a video that I've been getting a lot. Y'all have been asking me this a lot in my comment section down below, so I was like, let me do it. I just got out the shower, so it's like I had to try to wash all that makeup off. So if my face is like, if it's like black under my eyes and stuff, it's because I got that stupid mascara sliding everywhere. I'm tired. But as y'all, hold on. So what I did while I was in the shower, I had bleached my knots. And another thing, I had got a beginner wig for you guys. So like, since it's beginner, since y'all want to know how to do it, it's gonna be like really beginner. Hold on, because sometimes this stuff can leak through, you know. So it's gonna be really beginner. What I'm gonna go do is wash this stuff off of this wig, because it's been on here a little bit longer than what it needs to be. So yeah, I just want to come and show you that I bleached my knots, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to apply y'all wigs with no cap, because I don't use no cap. Only cap I use is this, but I don't be molding no cap down, all that stuff. So I'm gonna be back once this is washed off. So yeah. Okay, you guys, I am back and my hair is finally washed. Before I get into this hair, I just want to tell y'all where it's from and all that stuff, like it's like I'm supposed to. This hair is from Elva. Hold on, let me see if I can find it somewhere where it's not written like that. Yeah, Elva. I don't know how to spell it. I don't know, it's spelled E-L-V-A. This is a pamphlet that it comes with. It also comes with other different kinds of wigs, I guess, that they have too, that you could choose from. I got a 12-inch from them because I was like, it's summertime, I want a shorter wig, I guess. So I got a 12-inch from them. They have some nice wigs, like some real nice wigs. I think I'm gonna try this wig out next. Do y'all see this? This wig. I want to try that wig out. I think it's so cute. But yeah, this is like a more natural wig right here for the natural girls, right there. Okay, so this is the pack. It comes with all the stuff, how to take care, hairline plug, we don't need that, because I don't need that. And it also comes with a fingernail filer. I think it's a fingernail filer. Yeah, this is a fingernail filer. Thank God. Because when I want to do my nails, I need a fingernail. Even though I don't do my nails, I don't got time. But still, come with a fingernail filer. Also comes with some eyelashes. And it also comes with a coil mesh weaving cap. You know, I never use these. But yeah, that's all the stuff that it comes with. Make sure you guys check them out. If you're watching the video early, the link might not be down in the description. So yeah, so let me put my hair up. So basically all you need to do this video is to do this, what I'm finna do to my wig, so y'all can do to y'all's, is got to be glue. I went ahead, they sent me this hair. It's like a real basic wig for beginners. To me, this is a beginner's wig. It's very basic and it's very beginner-ish. I bleach my knots. That's what I always do, is bleach my knots. Like ever since I started bleaching my knots, I've always bleached my knots. Like I cannot bleach my knots. I cannot do a wig without bleaching my knots, unless I don't have no more stuff. But I'll purchase a lot of that stuff. So this is what it looks like. It looks bleached because the knots are bleached, you know. They're bleached now. And this is what the scalp part look like now. So I don't need a cap method. I don't know about y'all, but Eva don't need no cap method, and I do not want a cap method. Oh, what I got to do for, I'm not gonna actually cut that. It comes with back lace. I'm not gonna cut that off. I'm not gonna cut it for the sake of this video. I'm not gonna cut it, but you can cut yours if you want to, but I'm not gonna cut it because nobody's gonna see it. And it's so close to the freaking hair. I'm gonna end up cutting hair and it's gonna create more shedding. Oh, and this how much shedding it had when I was detangling through it. Not that much shedding. So the shedding on this hair is really good. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all something. I don't remember. I don't know if I said it before, but if I did, just maybe not attention. But what I need to know is what y'all want to see. You guys, like, y'all do, my face looks weird. Y'all do tell me what y'all want to see sometimes, I guess, but I need to know, like, what do you guys want to see? Because I just been posting what I want to post, because a girl DM'd me today and she was like, hold on, something already. Yeah, a girl DM'd me today and she was like, are you taking suggestions and stuff? I'm always taking suggestions because I post for you guys. I post for so you can see what you want to see. So you can see what you want to see, you know? That's what I'm here for, you guys. So yeah, but I also do my own thing on the side too, you know? Like, this is the hair stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and put my wig on. So just go ahead and put your wig on, you guys, just like this. See how when I bleach my knots, it look like scalp? See that? And wait till the glue hit it. It's just gonna be like, whoa, that's her real hair. Hold on, I'm gonna get my towel because this stuff is cold. Cold. So, I look crazy right now. But we're gonna fix all of that. And the edges, I love the edges on this wig. It is so long. Like, I was gonna wear this wig in the middle part, and the cap comes all the way back here. So like, this stuff gonna look natural as hell. Like, if I go out of town, this is most likely gonna be the wig I take because it's short, easy to maintain. It's not all the way down to my ass. You know, I can work with it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be easier. But you already know, middle part. I left it on there too long. I left the stuff on there way too long, but it's okay. It is. Oh, see how far my middle part go back? Shop with them. If you want a beginner's wig because you are a beginner with wigs, shop. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. It looks like this is my real hair out my scalp. I'm not taking this wig off. Like, yep, this could be my like beach wig because like I said, it's short. It's not that long. It's very maintainable. You know what I'm saying? The parting is perfect. The parting comes all the way back. So people are going to think this is your hair, girl. As long as you laying it right. If you lay it right, they're going to think it's your hair. If you don't lay it right, they're going to be like, take that wig off. We know you got a wig on. Okay, guys, I went ahead and cut it. So as you can look and tell like, oh my God, this look way better now. But I still got the lace on my wig. I still have the lace on my wig because I need to know what I'm doing with it. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't just cut it. But to be honest, it really didn't make a big difference. That's not like I said a whole different word. It really didn't make a big difference of it, and I'm really glad that it didn't because it looks natural still like this, even though I had to cut some parts off of it. So what I'm finna do is, I love this length. Like, I wouldn't wear it with this shirt though. You know, like certain hairstyles you wear with certain clothes. So what I would do is what I do is make sure that it's all straight and not straight. Make sure that some parts are cut because, you know, first of all, girl, look how far this stuff come out. All these from my eyebrows. Now, half of the time, I don't glue that size down. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start cutting my lace off. I'm just cut my lace off for this time. I have to cut these off because first of all, my head is not big. I don't have a big head. So yeah, but this would have been so pretty if I didn't have to cut it off. Even though it's still pretty, I just have to cut it because first of all, it's too much hair, and second of all, my hair is my head is not that big. So this is the part where some people get confused at when they're doing their wigs. Because trust me, I was one of those people. I would get so confused when it comes to cutting the lace. Because it's like, what if I cut it and I mess it up? Or like, oh my God, my lace is going to be ugly. My lace is going to be messed up, blah, blah, blah. It's to this day, if you're not like a professional or nothing, I'm not a professional. But once you get it down pat, you got it down pat. Now, it's days I still mess up my frontals trying to cut them. That's normal though. It's normal to mess up stuff. You learn from it and you just keep going. I hope y'all can see this. So what I'm doing now is cutting this because yeah, I need it away from my ear. So now what I'm gonna do is just brush it to get any excess hair that was cut and still in there. Oh God, this is some pretty hair. So that now when I lay it down, you guys, you can see I'm gonna still have edges on the side, all of that. You see, I can just glue it down, you know. So the same thing I did to this side, I'm gonna do to this side too, but I'm gonna do off camera because I don't want this video long for you guys because I'm trying to get to the point. So yeah, okay guys, so I went ahead and cut that piece off all over here, so it's like just like the other side now. You know, I can still have edges out on the side behind my ear, you know, but I'm trying to stop mess with my ear considering the fact I just got my ears pierced like not too long ago. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, a lot of people don't, okay, let me just tell y'all, when y'all see me apply my wigs on my other videos, I do not cut my lace off. I do not cut my lace off on these wigs. I just apply it, then I start cutting my lace off. But considering the fact that y'all are beginners, hell, I'm a beginner myself, so I'm gonna show y'all how I used to do my wigs. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fix my camera up a little bit more, come in closer for you guys so y'all can get a better visual. Okay, so what I normally do with my curly wigs, I don't normally glue my sides down, but for this video sake, like I said earlier, I'm gonna glue my sides down. I'm gonna whip my hair up a little bit more. I want one of them other hair wetter thingies because that one is just loud for no reason. Yeah, this is cute. I might dye the ends of it or something one day. Okay, so ladies, listen. This is the part where you need to be listening to me. Okay, because your wig not gonna come together by itself. So what you want to do is make sure you don't got nothing on your hands because this glue stuff gets sticky, and I got all this hair from my down here. Okay, I'm gonna have to take my mirror. I'm gonna have to use this mirror to apply my glue, or attempt to apply my glue, because that mirror right there is too far away, and this camera is not showing me what it really look like. So I'm gonna just sit my camera, my thingy right here to apply my glue. Okay, I'm gonna be looking over here, y'all gonna be looking at me. We gonna get this stuff popping. Okay, y'all, so my ladies, you gonna want to pull your wig back like this, just like this. Take your got-to-be glue. You're gonna want to put got-to-be glue all around your edges. Okay, people be like, you put that on your real edges? Yes, I put on my real edges. First of all, got-to-be glue is like gel if you think about it. Long as you're not ripping your freaking wig off, you're fine. If you're ripping your wig off, you're gonna have no edges. To be honest, gel take your edges out too. People don't understand that, but I feel like everything is a learning process. You're gonna have to learn that if you do that to your hair, your edges gonna fall out. Okay, same way I learned that braids, I can do my own braids, and like my braids used to be so tight and my edges were just disappearing, but my edges grow back. So I don't know about y'all, but anyways, we're not talking about edges, we're talking about wigs. I put these right on my edges, like how they do them little caps, because the cap method takes too long, and sometimes the cap want to come up. And only do the cap method if I'm doing colorful hair or blonde hair, one of those. If I'm doing blonde wig, like the whole wig is blonde, even the, you know, the cap, not, how can I put this so I can hear explain this? If I'm doing the frontal and like this part, the lace is blonde too, all of that is blonde, I do cap method because my hair is not blonde, my hair is black, and you're gonna be able to tell. So this is the part where you can take your blow dryer and do this. The blow dryer makes it quicker, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna blow dry it because I'm trying to show y'all. I usually just fan it with like a paper or something, and that works too, y'all, surprisingly. Because it seems like when I use my blow dryer, it just takes forever and ever. Okay, so I hope we all together. I feel like school. I'm gonna just take this and fan it, and when it's dry, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and it's clear, obviously. So what you gonna do, girls, ladies, whatever you are, you're gonna take your wig and you're gonna start placing it where you put the glue at. Okay, sometimes, not sometimes, all the time when I do this, I have to go back in and see what I did wrong, because sometimes it just don't be laying, not be laying. Sometimes it I don't put glue in all the spots, so it comes up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so this is what I do. And that's really all I do, you guys. That's all. That's it. Literally, that's it. That's all you do to your wig. You can tie it down, but you're gonna tie it down regardless. If y'all going somewhere, tie your wig down. Don't be out with your wig not laid down. You know. Right now, I'm just combing it. I'm gonna start brushing it again. So as you can tell, look at my front. Look at the front. Like, what lace? Where's the lace at? Let's find either lace. Like, so serious. So yeah, basically, you guys, you have made it to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.